Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to work on the right hand side. This section. Here, as you can see, we have suggested pages and we have groups, and we are going to remove the events and we have this thing as well. So we are going to work on this section. Like if we have any like if we have groups, then go ahead and display some random group to the user. Definitely, like this is gonna be some kind of algorithm later on. Uh, it will be like if my most of my friends have joined some group and I haven't joined that group uh, in the same part of the page, so it's going to suggest me to join that group. So that is what we are going to do in this video. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to fire up the code editor in the current directory. So I'm going to type code dot and I'm going to start the server again. So now this is in the home component, right? So I'm going to go to the home component. I will search for a home and home blade file definitely. So I'm going to go there and then search for suggested groups. Here we have that. um, as you can see here, they are like showing the friends that have joined um, this group, right? But we don't need that. I can like show a button of joining that button, that group like this. So if I search for this one, I'm going to implement this first. So if I search for suggest page, here we have that. Here, as you can see, they are showing two pages. Maybe we can like add two pages right here. So the way I'm going to do that is and also, like as I mentioned before, we're going to remove this section. So let's do that. Also, I'm going to comment that if you like, you guys interested in implementing that feature, you can do that as well. So, or let's remove that. You already have template, so this is not going to be a problem. Let's have like a clean code. So now here, as you can see, these two are pretty much the same thing, right? So we can execute a loop against that thing. So I'm going to format this thing and remove one of them. So here we have the div, right? So I'm going to remove this one, and then we are going to like loop through that and display that right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home like livewire file, and here I am going to pass the suggested groups. So I'm gonna add a comma here, and then let's say um, suggested underscore pages, and this is gonna be page for now. As I mentioned before, we are going to pick a random one. So in random order, I guess, something like this. If I confirm that from the where we have that, I think we have somewhere in the groups in random. Let's Google uncle. So let's ask uncle good. So in random order Laravel, you just have to like remember the logic. You don't need to like remember every method, that is not required. So I'm going to pass that in the home right here, and in random order we are going to then take, let's say for now, 2, let's say 3. How about that? So now we have that. So I'm gonna copy this thing, go through the home blade file, and use loop or for else. Here, how about that? So I'm gonna use for else. Like maybe we don't have any, so then we are going to like do not show that section. So here we'll go the, let's say page, and I'm gonna copy this, come down right here, paste that right here. Like no page, let's say p dot text dash center dot let's say text is danger and no suggestion. or no page found or something like that. And here, like if I check that, it's gonna display that, right? Till that is loading, we can like implement the logic, or here will go the thumbnail, right? Or we can load the icon as well. Let's go for the icon. I think this is gonna be thumbnail. So I'm gonna do asset storage, and then concatenate that with the forward slash, and then dollar page of um, thumbnail. And after that we have the like button, and mm, should not we display the name, like the name of the that thing. I think I can add a title here and add that as a title. So in the title we are going to display the name of the page. So dollar page has a name, right? Also we can do that on the like button as well. So like whenever you hover over this thing, it will show um, like and then the page name. And here we are going to use the live wire. Like whenever you like that page, it should show something, right? Or I think we can do one thing as well, like if you like show the pages that I haven't like liked. So what I'm going to do is here, let's view the page. We can implement that. Also the page external icon. So I'm gonna remove this and definitely add a margin top of negative 10 pixel. And here we are going to load the icons, so the icons of get icons passing the name that we copied, and let's check that out. So now, what, we don't have any page. Let's see. I think we do have pages, but it shows no page found. That is interesting. So I'm gonna confirm the variable name. If I come to the home page in random order and then take 3, let's like find out where this is correct or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the Tinker. I'm gonna go to desktop, Laravel, connect me, PHP artisan Tinker, pasting the query, and wait, we don't have any. That is interesting. Let's pick all of them. We have CD, right? So it should display something. Okay, like this. We do have 100 pages, right? But when we show that in a random order, it does not display as anything. Um, let's say latest in random order. How about that? In this case, we already like we generated all of them at once, maybe. But that is, let's get them. If I count them, it should be 3, right? 101. That is interesting. What should I do? Let's count them like this. If I take 3, take. How about if I call first? Okay, this works. Um, this works. So I'm gonna paste that. This is gonna be 3. I'm gonna save that. Come right here, refresh. We should have 3 um, pages to like, right? But that is interesting. No page found. Suggested maybe. Let's do one thing. If I come here, dd the variable dollar suggested pages, and let's see if we have anything in. um okay, what, this is returning something take 3 in random order. Let's say post. We do get first, right? But if I get, it's gonna return 101, right? uh, okay, got it. So you have to use get method after like the take method, so that is now working. So I'm gonna remove that and refresh right here. So now it should like load 3 pages. Now we have the feather icon. Get icons. If I first get icon, okay, that is get icon. Remove the s. Let's refresh, and this time it works, right? We have to display the this thing. Okay, now we can like a page, but we have to implement the logic for that. So what I'm going to do is add a wire click, and I'm clicking on that button. We are going to like that page. So wire click, call that to follow, and passing the dollar page of id, and we already have a method for that, right? So if I go to page live wire component, we have the follow right here. So I'm gonna copy that from here, go back to home component, and paste that right here. Also we have to import something if it's something missing. So page like, import that, and you follow that, and that is it. So now what we are going to do is if I already have liked a page, then do not display that to me. The way we are going to do that is we have the page like button, right? So this is gonna hold all the pages like this user have liked. So we have the we are not in, right? So the way I'm gonna do that is like uh, I'm gonna use, let's create a variable for that. So let's say my underscore page or my follow page is something like that. We are equal to this, and where um, like user underscore id is out id, plug the plug like my plug the page underscore id, and this is going to return the array, right? So we can pass that to the where not in, and we know this accepts an array. So the id should not be in the my pages. So now if I save this and come here and refresh, that should work. Now in order to test that, I'm going to like some page. So I'm gonna come right here, and let's like this one. It worked. As you can see, now I have liked that page, but I'm gonna remove the href section because it's gonna like point to some random place, so we don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna remove that, and now we are good to go. So now we will do the same for the group section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yeah, if I forget, this is gonna be pointing to the pages. So let's do that before we like fire up like end of this video. So this is going to be finding to all the pages. We have the pages route, right? So I'm going to save this, refresh, and let's see. Let's wait for that to refresh, and after that I'm gonna click on the like icon and see if that is still working. So I'm gonna click on this. This is not clickable, so I'm gonna add cursor pointer. So custom style, right? Style, uh, cursor pointer. Okay, Now refresh, it should have that. Also we can do one thing, like if you click on this, it's gonna redirect you to that page. We can do that as well. So like this and then redirect user to that page. I think I should do that, right? um, let's do that. I'm gonna go to home. Whenever you follow that, then go ahead and redirect user to that. So return redirect to route, and that is page passing the UUID, so dollar page of UUID. So let's try that out. I'm gonna refresh the page, and whenever I click on this, I should see the notification and I should be redirected to that page. So now let's try that out. Clicked on this one. Yeah, as you can see, I followed this and now I'm redirected to that page. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.